Yo, are you looking to make passive income by doing absolutely nothing? In today's video, I have 5 methods for you to make passive income by literally doing nothing. The first method that I'm going to show you is EarnApp. EarnApp is essentially a program that runs on your computer, and all it does is it runs in the background. It doesn't do anything. You don't even really notice it running. All you have to do is download it, log in, and turn it on, and that is all you have to do. Essentially, what this does is it uses your IP address as a data log. It uses your data, and you make money from it. You can make decent money from it. As you can see there, I've made almost $250 from EarnApp, literally doing absolutely nothing from having this program running on my computer. You can also run this on Mac, iOS, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and Android. You can run it on pretty much any device you can. Personally, if you use it on your regular internet, it'll be better. You can also, if you want to, use it on something like your mobile data or something like that, that will also work. The next option is Pawns app. This one works pretty much the same way, but they do have other options. They do have games and surveys that you can actually do. My personal recommendation is to just use the regular app that runs in the background and earns you the money that you want. This also has Windows, Google Play, Android, iOS, Mac OS, and also the command line. And as you can see here, you need $5 to pay out. And the payout methods, they do have a lot on here. On EarnApp, you only have PayPal. I think you can do Amazon card as well, or Amazon gift card. But on Pawns app, you do have a lot of options, as you can see here: Visa, Amazon, eBay. You do have your Bitcoin, PayPal, bank transfer, Venmo, Payoneer. You have a lot of options that allow you to export and withdraw your money that you earn using Pawns app. The next app is Honeygain. This one's probably one that most people have heard, because this one's been around for longer than any of these other ones. And this one has been one that most people have used. This one, I've been personally liked using this one because I don't think it's really that good, but it is good for some people. Some people think this is probably the best one. This is up to you. Personally, out of all of these, I'm pretty sure EarnApp pays you the most out of all of these, just an FYI. But this one's just as good. They're all pretty close. You have to test them for yourself because it is based off of where you live and your IP and how it works for you. I know for this one, you do have other options when you install it, and that is to turn on some improvements and ways to make a little bit more credits per hour. Make sure you turn all of the available settings on so that you can make as much money as possible, because these do run all the time, and the more devices too and multiple IPs, the better as well. Honeygain also has some experience and some levels, so you can see here that if you share 50 megabits per day, you can win up to 100,000. Essentially, this is a pot of credits. So like if you get entered into a big pot of other people, and then whoever gets picked, they will get the 100,000 Honeygain credits. The next one is Mist Nodes. This one works the same way as the other one in a way, and you can see here they do have other ways that your node is being used. The other ones are mainly VPNs and data. This one, as you can see here, there's some data scraping, there's some VPNs and data transfer, stuff like that. This one works similar to the other ones, like I said, and you do have options to download on all platforms pretty much except iOS. You do have Mac OS. If you do have a Mac, you can do that. But if you go on their website, it does tell you how they do things and how it works. It's very simple and easy, and pretty much all you have to do is download it, connect, and earn. Simple as that, as they say right there. And you can see the amount of money you can make from this running it, which is pretty good, knowing this is just running on the background of your computer or whatever device you put it on. So once you make an account, you'll be brought to here. This is your nodes. This is where you'll connect your nodes. Once you have connected and downloaded your nodes, you'll see the amount of data transfer here. It's very simple on how to set it up. As you can see here, you have a lot of options to set it up, and these are also their partners that have the software integrated into those devices. The fifth and final option in today's video is Get Grass or Grass. Essentially, this one works similar to the other ones, like I've said. They do have an option of data labeling that is coming soon, which I'm assuming is what that is. You go through data and you label the data based off what it is, and you make money from it. I know there are some companies that actually do that as like a job. They label data, and it's something that people do to make money. But this is essentially their other option, which is essentially like the other ones where it's internet sharing. So you download it and you let it run, and it shares your data. Pretty simple as that. You have rewards here. You have some of their seems like this is more of like a task that each node is given and stuff like that. Here's their users and their downloads. You can see here that you can actually download it on your browser, And if you do that, it's only 1x rewards, but if you download it on desktop, you do get 2x your rewards. Another option, if you are someone that plays games and you want to get paid playing games and earn rewards, is buff.game. I've made a video about this in the past. They've kind of updated their software a little bit, they've improved it, but it's still pretty much the same way, where you essentially just play games, earn achievements, and you get paid to get those achievements unlocked, essentially. You do have it for almost any game that's out there: Fortnite, Apex, Valorant, whatever game it is. You also have Buff Mobile, which kind of works towards the mobile games, of course. You can pick a game, download it, and then play it, and then you'll get paid to actually play that game. And you can see how it works here. You level up, you get paid based off of the achievements that you unlock for that week. Some are daily, some are weekly, some are monthly. Like I said, and there's also upgrades. They have passes and stuff like that I'm going to show you in a second, that essentially allows you to get paid more and get extra points and extra rewards. You can redeem, as you can see here, for certain codes, whatever you want to use. Amazon, Steam, things like that, you can redeem them. And like I said, these are all the games that you have access of doing, and also you can capture and share highlights, because it does have an automatic overlay that shares clips if you want to share those. Now this is what the app looks like. As you can see here, this is their tracker, this is more of their pass. They do have advertisements on the side, and you can upgrade to get rid of those, but essentially this over here is your pass. As you can see, you have a buff pass and you have a free pass. So if you pay for this, you can, for $6, you can get you can get more things here. As you can see here, you can get these to get, to redeem your codes and your points that you get. You can redeem them here. As you can see, some of these are out of stock, but some of these aren't out of stock. As you can see here, they do restock these pretty often. If you're looking for games, here are their list of games. So if you're someone that plays Fortnite, you click on Fortnite, you can see here the finish 2 matches with at least 6 kills and you get XP. Finish 3 matches with at least rank of 1 to 10, you also get points there. And then of course, when you get that, you get to go level 2 and level 3, and then of course these reset every single week, as you can see here. They do also have raffles if you want to enter some raffles. They have your profiles, some highlights, and of course your mobile wall. They do even have an offer wall too if you want to look into some of this stuff, which is essentially you playing these games for a certain period of time and then gaining that many points, right? We've all heard of Raid Shadow Legends, of course, and of course World of Tanks and World of Warships. Essentially these just are apps you play for a certain period of time, level up, and that's essentially how you get paid, is by playing those games, and then you get credits and buff, of course, and then you can withdraw those credits. And that is pretty much it for the video. Everything that I've been talking about today, between all of the internet sharing ones and of course Buff Gaming, will be linked in the description for you to check out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. But anyways, peace out.